Hey, it's Bob with Bob's Bee Company. Going through some of my nukes here. I knew I had quite a few at the emergency cells, and as I looked through, I saw that some, not sure where it went now, one definitely hatched. So I went through and found the queen, but it's interesting, her sister is emerging. She hasn't killed her yet, so I'm going to try to save her. And these others that haven't hatched, got some spots for them. Right there is covering her up. Good sized queen right there in the middle. Virgin, of course. I'm gonna say she hatched today. It's a couple days she'll go on her mating flight, and this colony will be rocking.